Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is second part of the sample paper of year 9. So question number 15, a film is shown at cinema at 2 p.m. and 7 p.m. every day. The diagram shows the number of people watching the film at 7 p.m. on 10 days. 7 p.m. we are given over here. Here is the key that represents 22 watching at 2 p.m. right? So this way, and then at 2 p.m. and 20 watching at 7. So this is for 7 and this side we have for 2 p.m. right? And the number of people watching the film at 2 p.m. on these days is this. The question is, complete the back-to-back stem and leaf diagram above to show the information for 2 p.m. One has been done for you. This which is right off here, it's done here. 32. So 32 is going to go over here. So 3, 2. I'm just writing it on side. I will let you know why. Then 2, 5. 25. 5 goes here. 18. 18 is here. 8. Then we have 37 in the row of 30. 22 is done already. 43 is going to be 3 here. 27 goes with this. Then 31 is here. Then 34 is also here. 28 goes here. Now we need to write down this in order, so that's why I wrote inside. So 8 will go here. Then we have 5, 7, 8. It's already in order. Then we have here 1, 2, 4, 7. 1, 2, 4 and 7. Then here it is 3. So that gives you 2 marks if you do it correctly. Now part B, make one comparison between the number of people that watch the film at 7 p.m. and the number that watch at 2 p.m. So you can observe, if you see, here the maximum number is 43. Here the maximum is 25. So that means more number of people watched the 2 p.m. show. So we can say that more people watched 2 p.m. show than the 7 p.m. show. Right? So that's it for this one. So see, next one we have here the trapezium. The diagram shows a trapezium. We have a trapezium here. All the dimensions are in centimeters. We are given the dimensions. Find an expression for the area of the trapezium. Simplify your answer as much as possible. So we know that area of trapezium is half times A plus B times H, where A and B are the parallel sides. So we have these parallel sides. So now this is equal to half times A. A is 10n, B is 6n times H is 2n, right? So half times 16n times 2n. So this is going to be 16n squared. N times n is n squared, right? Now number 17, solve 9 over x minus 5 equals to 6. So this is 6 over 1, then you just cross multiply. So this is going to be 6x minus 5 equals to 9 times 1. 6 times x is 6x minus 6 times 5 is 30 equals to 9. 6x equals to 39, x equals to 39 over 6. So we can divide it by 3. 3 times 2, 13. 13 over 2, then it is 6.5. That is the answer, right? Okay, so next, before we move to next question, I would request you guys to subscribe to the channel if you have not done until now. So I will also wait for your comments in the comment section for the feedback. Thank you so much for your support. Now number 18, the diagram shows the position of two aeroplanes A and B. We have A and B here. Naomi says the bearing of B from A is 25. Write down two criticism of Naomi's statement. So criticism means we can write what is wrong. So bearing, she has written 25, while you know that the bearing should be written as a 3 digit. So it should be written like this. So we can write the first one is bearing should have 3 digits. Should have 3 digits. Right, and the second one, it should be measured from north line. So it is measured here, which is not correct. So it should be measured from north line like this. So we can say bearing should be measured from the north line. Right. Now number 19, workout. We are given this 2 over 3 mixed fraction divided by 1 over 5. So when you break it up, like it's gonna be 3 times 2 plus 2. 3 times 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 8 over 3 divided by, similarly 5 times 1 plus 1, this is 6 over 5. Now we have division sign here, so we are going to make it multiply and swap these numbers, take the reciprocal 5 over 6. So we can see, we can simplify here, 2 times 3, 2 times 4. So this is 5 times 4, 20 over 3 times 3, it's 9. So write, give your answer at a mixed number. So you can't leave your answer here. So divide it by 9, 9 times 2, 18, 2. So denominator always remains here, remainder goes up here, 2 over 9 is the final answer, right? Now number 20, we have Yuri and Mia each make a journey. The travel graph shows Yuri's journey, right? Here it's a Yuri's journey, distance traveled this side, time taken in hours. Mia starts her journey at the same time as Yuri, starts from here. Mia's journey lasts, she starts from here, Mia's journey lasts 2 hours less than Yuri's. So her is ending at, Yuri's is ending at 5, so this Mia's is ending at 3, 2 hours before. Mia's average speed is twice as Yuri, so her speed is twice as Yuri. Like you can see, in 1 hour Yuri covered how much? 50. So that means times 2, it should be 100 for whom? For Mia. So in 1 hour she should be here, right? Like this, and we know that it should end at 3. So we can just expand this one to end at this. So let's say where it goes like this. Okay, so it should end at 3. So our line should be like this. So this is Mia's journey, right? So draw a straight line. So we have done this one. This is 2 marks question, very simple question. Now let's move to the next one. We have here question from probability. Chen has 2 fair spinners, spinner A and spinner B. There are different colors on that. Chen spins both spinners. Complete the tree diagram. Outcome from spinner A is here. Outcome from spinner B is here. Spinner A has 2 colors, red and blue. So probability of red, you see red is coming 1, 2, 3, 3 out of 4. So what will be the probability of blue? Blue is going to be 1 over 4. So it's landing at once at blue, right? Then for spinner B, so probability of red, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 total outcomes, and out of that red is only once, so 1 over 5. Then we are looking for the other one, it's 1 minus 1 over 5, it's going to be 4 over 5. Now here it is blue, and then the red is going to be again, because red is coming once only, 1 over 5. The yellow one is 1 2 3 4, it is 4 over 5 out of 5, right? So that's it. So calculate the probability that both spinners land on red section. Red, so you see the first one is red here, the second red is here. There is no other two reds you can see. There is red yellow, blue red, blue yellow. So we are just going to multiply this one. This is 3 over 4 times 1 over 5. So this is 3 over 20. 5 times 4 is 20. So final answer is 3 over 20. Okay. Now number 22, a linear function maps input numbers to output numbers, right? Complete the input output table for this section. So this one here it is 1. This question is a bit tricky when you see if go this side. So 1 times 2 gives you 2. 2 plus 2, if we take 2n plus 2, this is gonna be working here. But if you do here 2 times 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, so that means it's not working. So then we can take multiple of 4 because all are even numbers, so we need to have multiple of an even number. So 4n, if I take 4n, 4 times 1 is 1, which is 4. So but if you don't add here anything, then for the next one 2 times 4 is 8, 8 plus 2 10. It's working here but not working for the first one. So let's say we take 6n. So 6 times 1 is 6, but we need 4. So if we subtract 2 from here, that's going to give you 4 here, right? So if n is 2, 6 times 2 12, 12 minus 2 is 10. So 5 times 6 is 30, 30 minus 2 is 28. So yes, this is working. So with this, nth term is going to be 6n minus 2, and this is going to be 6 times 10 minus 2, which is 58. So here we will have 58, right? So you need to use trial and error method for this one, right? Now use algebra to solve the simultaneous equation. So the simultaneous equation, we are just going to make this the same, the what do you call, the coefficients, right? So this one here it is, let me write it down again here. So this equation I'm writing as it is, 2y equals to 13. So multiply this by 2. So this will become 4x plus 2y equals to 22. Make sure you multiply to each and every term, right? Here you multiplied 4x, 2y equals to 22. Okay, so when you do this, then you add it, because we have different signs, so we are going to add. So this and this gets cancelled. So this is 5x equals to 3 plus 2 5, 35. So x is 35 over 5, which is 7. So value of x is 7. We will write it down here. Now for y, you substitute in any of the equations. So this is the easy one. So I will substitute x as 7. So shift 13 this side and 2y on other side, signs will be changed. So 17 minus 13, it's 6 equals to 2y, and then by 2 divide by 2, so that gives you y equals to minus 3. So y equals to minus 3 is the answer for this one. Okay, now the last question here we have number 24. This is the last question of this. So this question is of 3 marks and it's very tricky. So the diagram shows a triangular prism. The triangular faces are painted red. So this face and this face, it's painted red. Okay. The rectangular faces are painted blue. So there are 3 rectangular faces, they are painted blue. So we will first find out the total area. I mean, let's say first we find out the area which is painted red. So red is painted the triangular part, that is half times base times height, right? but there are two triangles, so we are going to multiply it by 2. So once you simplify, 2 times 2 4, 2 times 3 6, times 2 12. It's 12 centimeter square, which part is painted as red, right? Now we are looking for the rectangular faces are painted blue. So let's say the blue area, right? The blue area, we have 3 rectangles, right? So one rectangle is 4 times 6, so 4 times 6, it is 20. 3 times 4 12, times 6 72 centimeters. So this is the blue part. Okay, so now let's see what is the question. The question is, find the fraction of the surface area that is painted red. So the fraction that is required is for the red over the total area. Okay, so red is 12 and total is going to be addition of these two, 72. So this is 12 over 84, so 1 over 7. So final answer is 1 over 7. So that's it for this paper. I hope you guys understood everything. I will wait eagerly for your comments in the comment section. Your feedback matters a lot. So be blessed, guys. Kindly subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.